Hi folks, the next step in our cafe project is that we're now going to move inside the cafe and we're going to start to do a little bit of planning about what the inside will look like. Now, the view, as if we've taken the roof off the building, looking down inside the cafe, we would see a plan view, which is called a floor plan. Now, the different areas in the cafe are all going to be measured in square meters. So to get the area measured in square meters, this is calculated by multiplying the length times the breadth. So for example, the workshop G13 that we normally use in school is approximately 13 meters by 7 meters. So that's 91 meters squared. So our cafe is going to need certainly a kitchen as well as toilets. So your first task, task one, is to estimate the length and breadth of your kitchen and therefore calculating the area, and also the same with your bathroom. Now, I know this might not be easy. If you've got access to a tape measure, then obviously you could use that. If you've got access to a ruler, you could use that. If not, if you've not got access to either of these, you could just do a large stride is approximately 1 meter. Okay, we're just trying to get a feel for how big a kitchen area is in your house and how big a kitchen area would be in the cafe. If you've got an unusual shaped room, a little bit like the one I've drawn over at the right hand side of this slide, then you need to split it up into two little rectangles and then add them together. So I'm only asking you within task one to try and measure and come up with the square area of your kitchen and your bathroom. When we move on to task two and task three, I'm then asking you to think not about your house, but think about the cafe. So, how much bigger do you think your kitchen would need to be in your cafe compared to the one in your house? And similarly with the toilets, you might in your cafe decide you want to have male toilets and female toilets. And again, you want to estimate an area for them. So task two is about thinking about you need kitchen, toilets. What other areas will we add in beside number 3, 4, 5, 6 to make our cafe functional? And then task three is to, alongside kitchen, toilets, and all the other areas, you want to then estimate areas for the other parts of your cafe. Okay, so everything though, all the areas within inside your cafe have to add up to 125 square meters. The building can't be any bigger or smaller